logo
Yeah.
changed.
So they donated 61,000 their most popular product.
I'm just gonna do the 30 days challenge by using this.
The skin is very glowy.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Cookie.
Hello, my name is Shada Faith. I am an intern currently here at South Korean.
I really wanted to have you on the show today.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
I'm Sam, I got kidnapped again.
I forced him here.
Yeah,
Are we gonna talk about it?
talk about what? Hater comments? But it is actually true.
It's not true.
I'm gonna do the video scene about behind the
I'll be
scene
like,
of South
say
Korea.
it.
Look at that, look at that, look at the gun right behind me.
We're just having fun, so I hope you guys have fun too. Today, we're gonna have Shada, who's gonna be our researcher and our MC because she did all the inside work of
Some by me.
Some by Me. Let's get into the video.
Actually, here today, there's one who actually worked from Spun by Me
Oh, true.
behind the camera. Well, he doesn't want to be shown. He doesn't want to be shown. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah, it might be censored later.
He's like our
but-
second AD right now.
Yep, so if we have some questions, I'm gonna ask him. We're gonna ask him, so we gotta get some info.
So Some by Me actually stands for something by a miracle. So me is actually the me part for the Some by Me, but it stands for beauty in Korean.
It's like beauty me.
Chinese character?
Yep.
Right. But then they also have the brand concept or behind it, especially for the Ahabaha PHA Miracle line, is that the miracle starts within yourself. Some by Me actually focuses on the idea that your skin doesn't define who you are. So their products are all clean and vegan friendly. People are kind of going against these days. So they were actually founded back in 2016. So this was like before the big clean trend for cosmetics were coming into the scene.
What were you guys doing in that year?
I first came to Korea to go to university.
I was still in high school.
You're a baby! I feel like around that time, I think Naomi said this, a lot of companies were trying to do that clean vegan because there was a scandal about the sun cream not having enough SPF, and around that era, people started doing a lot of clean brands.
Right. They're most popular first in Indonesia. So they gained their popularity there. So if you actually look at their Instagrams, you'll see that they have like 420 something thousand followers versus like even their main Some by Me account, which has like 200,000. So they're very, very popular.
He's
over there.
nodding, yep.
Yeah.
You got it right.
Okay.
Their brand face is actually S-Scoop from 17, the K-pop group, if you guys know who that is.
I love 17.
17?
17.
The K-pop group?
아낀다 울고 싶지 않아 뚠뚠뚠.
Right.
And what else do they have?
I think that's the only one. So do you guys know what September 1st is?
Back to school.
Yes, but no.
Like in
First?
Korea?
Oh, Labor Day? no. I feel like there's one thing, yeah.
Well, it has something to do with skin.
It's not late.
So.
Skin?
It's self-love day.
September 1st is National Acne Positivity Day, actually.
그런 게 있어?
So every September 1st, they come with their Abahaba PHA 30-Day Miracle brand, or that campaign, so they come forth every 1st of September.
I love that.
I feel like whenever you're looking at a lot of different skincare brands, especially their models or like stuff, they always have like perfect skin, right? So it feels like they're making an unrealistic type of expectation for everybody. And while like Some by Me does have like those models with perfect skin, they also have a lot of influencers or just like small creators who come forth who do have acne prone skin or acne scars. So they are producing like a really good mind positivity thing. But like they say, the miracle starts within yourself. So in order to get out of that, it needs to have real representation and be able to see that in everyday media and sponsorship like that.
I think it's really nice because the whole brand says like beauty, everything starts within yourself, and it's like doing internal work. If it's truly as stated like Some by Me stands on that vision, then what they're doing is like helping not just, people, it's just helping the environment as well.
Right.
And supporting like big companies like that, you also feel like you're also
Putting forth into that.
putting effort into places that you count.
Oh, nice wording. Yeah, 너무 잘하는 말 잘하는 것 같은데.
So do you guys want to move on to like some influencer
Yes.
views?
This is, of course, an exfoliating toner, and what I will say about this one, again, I don't love the name, I'll say that throughout everything, but honestly, this is a really decent exfoliating toner. It is one of the more gentle that I've used. The main exfoliants in here, so we have the BHA, which is salicylic acid, whilst the PHA is lactobionic acid, and I believe the AHAs is the papaya fruit extract, so it's really gentle, but with that lactobionic acid, the PHA. For me, I prefer them to AHAs, especially as I have rosacea. Sometimes AHAs can wreak a little bit of havoc on my sensitive skin, but this is the same throughout their whole AHA, BHA, PHA line. These are the key exfoliants that we have in there. Now, this does have tea tree in, which I love for my breakout prone skin.
I was very interested because I didn't know the toner had AHA, BHA, and PHA. I didn't know you can use that all at once.
Right, but so a lot of people, like when they see that, they think, oh, that's a lot to be putting on your face.
Yeah.
But it actually has a very low percentage that they use in there. I think all of them have below at least 1%. So it's very safe for your skin. But I wouldn't recommend going overboard with it.
Yeah. Would I use this every day? No, right?
I wouldn't use it every day. I would use it like maybe every other day, every 2 or 3 days or something. But
Because it is an exfoliator, like you mentioned.
Right.
So.
The serum and the cream you could get away with using most every day if you'd like to. But I think it's also very important to pay attention to your skin needs and how it's feeling and using products that help fix that issue. That way you're not causing more of a problem.
Yeah, you gotta try it because it depends on the person. Because I used it every day.
Really? And was it okay for you?
Yeah, like in the video, like it says, like my skin like improved than before. So yeah,
it could
I think
also
depends on the person. Yeah.
Right. I say it could depend. Like skin types vary every single person. So some people have very, very sensitive skin, but then some people can take it, and it could even improve for them. So that's important to keep in mind.
Korean mom's secret to healthy skin and aging gracefully. Number 1 advice other than sun protection is starting retinol in your early to mid 20s. Right now she is obsessed with this retinol serum and the retinol eye cream by Sun By Me, which is a Korean skincare brand. This serum has triple powerhouse with retinol, retinol, and bakuchiol, which are 3 ingredients known to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the best part about the serum is that it is non-irritating even for those with sensitive skin. And don't forget to bring it down to your neck and your hands. She also religiously uses retinol eye cream. This one has niacinamide to soften fine lines and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Remember, retinoid is one of the only proven topical ingredients to build collagen. To avoid those sensitizing side effects with retinol, try incorporating a skin barrier product. The same brand makes this beta-panthenol repair cream, which is very, very nourishing. All of these products are available on Amazon and currently 30% off, so check it out.
Really important when you're using retinol though, you don't want to use too much because it can irritate your skin. The recommended amount is about a pea drop. So like even I realized whenever I use the serum, no matter how much I try to suck out, it only gives me like a little bit. I think they did that on purpose so that way you don't overuse the product. But then as mentioned, retinol is a part of like the vitamin A family, so a lot of like fatty acids, which is really good for skin rejuvenation and cell growth. So it really helps with collagen.
But what I know is like you have to use retinol at nighttime.
Yeah,
not
only
daytime,
at night. And make sure always wear sunscreen. We know that COVID was still pretty like rampant in 2020 and 2021, right?
Yeah.
So they donated 61,000 hand sanitizers. And then they also donated money to UNICEF to help combat the rise of COVID.
I love that.
And then recently, just this last 2022, they also help support children in Mongolia with skin diseases. So like they're doing a more outreach program now. So they're helping more people abroad too. Do you guys know their most popular product?
I think it's this one, the Miracla line.
I was gonna say the Yuja line.
Their most popular product is actually the Abahaba PHA toner is their most popular product that they have. They just rebranded the Yuja Niacin line and it looks so
Didn't
luxurious.
their logo change? The logo
Yeah.
changed. So I have like the sample. There, it's like kind of like a Vogue font.
Yeah, it looks very luxurious.
For me, I thought like the most popular brand, Namuna, recommended this Yuja Niacin to me. That is like for acne and also for blemishes, and it did actually really well on my skin.
I'd also done a little bit of work with the brand before for like collaborations, and I've tried out their new rebranded
Influencer
piece.
era.
But I have freckles, so
And they're beautiful.
thank you. I do love them. I've had a lot of people come up to me and ask, like, do you want to like get surgical stuff that we can remove it? And I'm like, no, thank you.
No.
Thank you, but no, thank you. So I noticed that like if I use this, I get kind of scared that my freckles will start fading
Because it has fading properties. that's why.
Right. So instead, like I will focus on like spot treatment, especially on my cheeks, because I have dark spots from acne that I had when I was in high school that I picked at. The Aba Haba line, yeah, Miracle 30-day line.
30 days line.
So what does it mean, like 30?
Like you can do it in 30 days. Like you'll see the how.
Is it like a skin detoxing challenge?
Kinda, yep. I actually did this as like a first time I ever did as a skincare. In the video, I'm pretty sure like I got a hate comments once about like well your skin's not even good. Like why you like.
But now your skin is really good.
Yeah, actually I started with
super
this.
good.
So I did like the next day I was like I'm just gonna do the 30 days challenge by using this.
Do you have like anything on your skin right now?
Right now I just put the foundation lightly.
Oh.
BB cream?
Just a lot. Just
The skin
lightly.
is very glowy.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you guys learned a lot about Sun By Me and products that you'd like to try out.
Don't forget to put likes and comments down and subscribe.
If there's any other brands you want to know more about, make sure to comment those below. Yeah. And then we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.